Hey folks, hope you're having an awesome start to the season. Things are really starting to roll here as I'm wearing a t-shirt, which is a really, really nice sign. I wanted to just make a quick announcement about an awesome new thing we're doing here at FromTheField.tv. And if you're not a member of FromTheField.tv, this might be the moment you've been waiting for to join FromTheField.tv. We're going to now be expanding the open consult program that I have done with myself. We're kind of into it now. I've got consults booked solid. And if you don't know about the open consult, what it is you get to do a consulting session with me, and we record it and make it an episode at FromTheField.tv. So of course you gotta want to be on camera, and of course we can share your personal information and things like that, exactly where you are and all that. That's no problem. But what we're doing now is we're bringing in all of the other creators at FromTheField.tv to offer open consults as well. So, you guys know Dakota Cohen. Dakota Cohen specializes in regenerative agriculture, broadacre permaculture, animals, multi-kilometer long swales, managing water. We've got Rob Avis, passive solar greenhouse designer, engineer, permaculture extraordinaire, designer, teacher. We've also got Stephen Cornett from Nature's Always Right, awesome urban market gardener, now rural homesteader like me. Some of you are probably familiar with Stephen's channel. He's crushing. He's got a large following on YouTube. And we've also got David Bouchard from Micro Acres coming in and offering in-depth microgreens experience and expertise in that specialized field of indoor growing. So all of these gentlemen are going to be offering open consults here at FromTheField.tv. So over the next little while, you're going to see their introductory videos get posted here at From the Field in its own category called Open Consult. They're going to get posted, and when those videos get posted by them, that's your sign that you can sign up and try to get into their open consult. So basically how it works, it's very similar to what we've done with myself. A video gets posted by one of our experts, and they'll ask you for something. So they might say, hey, comment on this video, give me as much information as you can, and then I'll reach out to you and we'll go from there. Or they might say, send me an email and give me information. So basically, you're getting access to an expert, and it's only going to be costing you the membership of your From the Field account. So there's no guarantee that you're going to be able to consult with them, but I've told these guys, do as many of these as you can. So you're getting consulting that's worth, at the very least, hundreds of dollars an hour for the cost of your membership. Now, I know that sounds crazy, but I know that this content that we're going to produce in this is absolutely legendary, and there's nobody else out there doing this. Consulting is something that is typically very private, and I can tell you, as somebody who's done hundreds of consulting with clients around the world, and all of these guys is the same thing. All of these guys are experienced consultants, that there's so many times over the last 6 or 7 years that I've been doing this that I go, I wish I would have been recording that. Because there's so many amazing things that come out of consulting. From the viewer, from your perspective, if you're just watching this, you're seeing how an expert solves problems in real time. You're seeing somebody explain their problems and what they're looking to do, and have somebody come in and offer insights. So you're getting a kind of education that you can't really get anywhere else. So that's it. I'm super excited to do this. And when I had this idea to do open consults, at first I was just thinking, I'll just do it with myself, and it'd be kind of an interesting way to create content, and we can try something new. And I kind of just threw out the idea out there and just did it. And it's been really fun. It's been a lot of fun. I've done a number of you guys From the Field so far, and I've got a lot ahead of me booked. Now, this is something that, we can only do within the limited capacity that we have as individuals, right? So we can't just crank this out and do everybody. But so far, the people that have reached out to me and really given me a lot of information, and because it always comes down to, if you want a good answer, you got to pose a good question and you got to provide lots of good context and information. So far, I haven't been completely overwhelmed with emails to do this. So anyways, that's what we're going to do. When you see the videos come from each of our experts, David Bouchard, Rob Avis, Dakota Cohen, and Stephen Cornett, when you see their video pop up in the open consult category, that's going to be your call to try to hopefully get a consult with them. So I hope to see some of you guys in here and talk to you, and I know this is going to be epic, and I'm super excited to be sharing this with all you guys at FromTheField.tv. So if you're not a member of FromTheField.tv, now is the time to sign up. There's a link down in the show notes here. Go check it out. If you sign up and you realize you don't like it, no hard feelings. But the amount of content we have in here, we are almost just about at 2,000 videos in here right now. I've got my whole YouTube archive, all of my Liberty on the Land episodes, everything I've produced for From the Field, plus all these other fantastic creators. It's all here. This is the place to get high value, super detailed, and long form information. I hope to see more of you there. This is where this is my life's work. This is what I'm doing in here, and I'm so excited to have other experts in here with me providing high value information to you guys to help you learn how to get started and succeed and crush it on your land. All right, see you in the next video.